Hello everyone, welcome back to Vocab Junction. In this video, we are going to explore advanced English words. Whether you are a language learner, a bookworm, or simply a word enthusiast, this video is for you. Our first word is ineffable. It is an adjective. Meaning, ineffable means too great or extreme to be expressed in words, or indescribable, something which you cannot express. It is ineffable. People often get confused between indescribable and undescribable. So the correct term is indescribable. Undescribable is not a standard English word. Root word ineffable comes from Latin word ineffabilis, which is a combination of the prefix in, that means not, and effabilis means capable of being expressed. Example: the beauty of the sunset was ineffable, leaving me speechless.
No. Ineffable. Ineffable means it can't be explained.
You meant sort of like a general, ineffable sense.
Let's learn some synonyms of ineffable. First is inexpressible. Second, indescribable. Third, undefinable. And the fourth one, unutterable. Now antonyms: expressible, describable, definable, communicable. Let's move to the second word. It is cacophony. Cacophony is a noun. Now look at the meaning of this word. Cacophony means a harsh, discordant sound, mixture of loud, unpleasant noises. Root word. The word cacophony comes from the Greek words kak and phone, which mean bad and sound or voice, respectively. The word essentially means bad sound. Let's have a look at the example. The city street was filled with a cacophony of car horns, sirens, and construction noise, making it hard to think.
Dinner, I could tune out the cacophony of chewing.
Now let's learn some synonyms of cacophony. First is noise. Second, commotion. Third, dissonance. Fourth, hullabaloo. Fifth, clatter. And sixth one, uproar. Let's learn some antonyms also. First is silence. Second, stillness. Third, calm. Fourth, serenity. Fifth, tranquility. And sixth one, quiet. Let's move ahead towards another word. It is ennui. It is a noun. Now have a look at the meaning of ennui. It means boredom, a feeling that combines tiredness and dissatisfaction. Root word. The word ennui comes from the old French word ennui, which means annoyance or vexation. Ennui comes from the late Latin word annodere, which means to make loathsome. Loathsome means disgusting or hateful. Example: the monotonous routines of daily life filled him with a sense of ennui that he just couldn't shake off.
Today I'm suffering from ennui.
Apologies. I was lost in my ennui.
Let's learn some synonyms. First is boredom. Second, lethargy. Third, tedium. Fourth, listlessness. And the fifth one, monotony. I'm sure you must be knowing the antonyms of this word. So let's start. First is excitement. Second, fascination. Third, stimulation. Fourth, engrossment. Fifth one, engagement. Next word is astute. It is an adjective. Meaning, astute means having a quick and clever mind, being able to notice and understand things that are not immediately apparent, and being able to make smart decisions. Root word astute comes from the Latin noun astus, meaning craft. The word implies being keenly observant and forming sound judgments based on knowledge and experience. Example: he was an astute businessman and made smart investments that paid off.
I think you're hurting him.
You're very astute, Professor.
I'm very astute.
Synonyms are sharp, keen, perceptive, discerning, insightful, shrewd, intelligent, clever. Someone having sharp powers of judgment is an astute. Antonyms are obtuse, dense, unperceptive, naive, gullible, foolish. Last word for the day is enigmatic. It is an adjective. Meaning is mysterious or difficult to understand or puzzling. Root word enigmatic comes from Greek word enisesthai, meaning to speak in riddles. Example: the Mona Lisa has a famously enigmatic smile. I'm sure you must have seen the painting of Mona Lisa, the very famous work of the artist Leonardo da Vinci. So you might have seen her smile. That is an enigmatic smile. It means it is a mysterious smile. Synonyms are ambiguous, cryptic, obscure, mystery. Antonyms are clear, explicit, obvious, transparent.
The enigmatic smile.
The big takeaway is he's enigmatic.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching Vocab Junction. I hope you learned some new words and had fun exploring the world of vocab with me. If you want to learn more, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Happy learning.